line up first. Right. Here we go. The marking should be this side. Yep, that's easier because on this way there's no marking for a diffusion sheet. In that case, we might just want to take it out. The bottom one. Okay. I don't want to lift my finger. Just like that. Put it back here. So we do it a little bit kind of opposite way. You just saw. Okay. So that way. Yeah. This one's blocking the lamp. Okay. So the LED will be this side. Yeah. Okay. You have to make. I see why. I show you why. I see why. Nope. This is good. Okay. Let me see what's going on. This side looks like something was not right, so let me take a quick look. Hello, I just figured out why we couldn't snap this back cover back because on this section, on the bottom section, there's a plastic here, so I just using a solid tip to nail it down and using a utility knife to cut it flat. So it's only on this section though. Okay, so when you upgrade LED for this model, just be careful, pay attention on it. I was overlooked, but let me do it again. Okay, try again. Okay, okay, go upside down. Okay, let me see. All right, put it back. Face down. Okay. Now, diffusion sheet. Alright. Yep. Okay. Movement of truth. Put it back. Okay. Skin. Yeah, this is okay. All right. This one, yeah, I should put away. There we go. So, shouldn't be a problem. So we're gonna snap it right back. Same thing like I just showed you, but this time I don't think we have problems anymore. Okay. This side. Perfect. Just snap right back, right? So make sure it's back. Plastic back. Click. Here we go. Next thing, put the screw back. All right, 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 screws back. You're gonna take a look. This diffusion sheet is a little bit dirty, so we're gonna clean it. Okay, see, before we are using this plastic to remove it because they have a double side tip on the crown. Okay. So anyway, now way to go. All right. Also, we're gonna clean the glass part a little bit here. I see there's some dirt here. Good. I need to clean it first. So I just use a little bit water. Do not use in any alcohol because this side have a plastic film on it. So to clean up those dirt that was so there for a long time. Okay. So we're gonna put it back. Okay, this is it. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna put it back like this. Make sure it sits inside of a plastic film. And flip over. Here we go. Okay, so be sure it sits inside of the plastic. Otherwise, when you snap back the metal film, you might crack this LCD's liquid glass. Right, almost done. So actually it's not that difficult because I didn't pay attention on that piece of plastic, so that's why it cost me extra time. Other than that, it's pretty easy. All right, let me take a quick look here. Just put it like this. Oops. Right, it's done. Now we have just finished install upgrade LED kit. So we could now we could. I want to test it. See how it is. This is screen wire harness. Okay. All right. This is the LED drivers that you can connect to either end. This is the wire adapters, and this is the NEC's connector. All right. So I'm going to connect to here, my tester. All right. Let's see how it goes. Here's my power. Okay. See that? Much brighter, huh? So no more sectional problems. So now it's pretty bright. Actually, if you can watch our part 1, it will be much brighter than before. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching.